Hello guys, here is a video. Here's a kind of what I planned for the laundry room. So basically I took the washer and the dryer or vice versa, put them kind of in their individual chambers in here. I didn't draw knobs, but there'd be two knobs in the open. So when you open them, they'd open away from each other. So you can unload one and load it into the other. Let me hide a couple of things to show you. So if you look, this is one machine, this is the other. Basically, I have an upright, an upright, and an upright, and then they're connected at the top. This is for the guy installing. And then this here is just a normal kind of cabinet, so it steps back and it kind of makes it not protrude into the room as much visually. So if you open the doors, this is what you're going to pretty much end up with. So we got plenty to support the countertop. There's no like cabinet back or anything. There's just kind of uprights and slats. And then this here, there would be an adjustable shelf or two in here when this cabinet door is open. And then this is just a drawing of this area before your uppers are installed.